So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. My name is Dylan and I'm the founder of the Rideshare Hub, the #1 place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. And today is a sad day. Why? Because Lyft just leaked, well, it was just leaked that Lyft may deactivate 80 to 90% of their driver force, basically all part-time drivers, if the government forces them to make their drivers employees, which is a very, very real possibility. And honestly, it's to the point where it's like 90% chance that this will be the outcome. And I'm gonna tell you guys why in today's video. And I'm gonna show you guys the exact screenshots and text message. Well, it's not a text message, but it was during an interview that was recently out, which I'm gonna share with you guys. So honestly, this does directly affect me because I am a part-time driver for both Uber and Lyft. Uber CEO said that most part-time drivers, I think he said 80% of drivers will be deactivated, will be fired for driving for Uber if this law does, well, it is already a law, basically if they do have to comply with the law. And then Lyft basically said the same exact thing, except Lyft said they would have to deactivate even more drivers. So, it's absolutely crazy, guys. I can't believe we're doing this, but I don't know what I'm gonna do on the Rideshare Hub anymore. I mean, as you guys know, I'm an active driver for both Uber and Lyft, and there's not many of us on YouTube anymore. Most YouTubers are either, well, I wanna say most, but there are a handful of rideshare YouTubers who either don't drive for the platforms or have actually been deactivated by either Uber or Lyft. I think I'm really the only top YouTuber who is active for both platforms, which, call it what you want, but I like sticking true to my guns. Like if I'm gonna run the Rideshare Hub, I feel like I should actually be a driver for both platforms, an active driver. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You guys know that I'm in the process of moving, so if you could do me one simple favor and leave the video a thumbs up, because I am in the process of moving, and I'm filming these videos while I'm unloading and loading up my car and my apartment, and it just takes time and effort, and it just makes me feel more appreciative if you can leave the video with a thumbs up, just for dedicating my free time to making these videos. Anyways, let's get right into it. Let's get right into it. This is the tech crunch. By the way, guys, check out the links down below in the description. Get paid time off, sick leave. For the paid time off from Cover, by the way, I know there's some questions. You don't need to pay that money back. So if you ever get into an accident, ever get temporarily deactivated, if you get hospitalized, they will replace your income they will replace your income 80% of what you would normally earn, and you don't need to pay that back. Check it out, 30 days for free with my link. Anyways, judge grants Uber and Lyft temporary stay in driver reclassification case. Blah, 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 blah. You guys know the story. Uber and Lyft were basically, they both threatened to shut down their apps, but the judge, one of the higher courts came and overruled one of the lower courts, saying that they have more time to do that, basically the government's trying to make their drivers employees. The government's trying to make Uber and Lyft's drivers employees, right? Uber and Lyft really don't want that. That's why they introduced Prop 22, which I'm voting yes on. I'm 100% almost, because I want to keep my job. Because you guys see right here. So we're glad that the Court of Appeals recognized the important questions raised in this case, and that access to these critical services won't be cut off while we continue to advocate for drivers That's what the Uber spokesperson said. But let's go down here to what Lyft said. Here we go. Clearly, Lyft jumped. Earlier today, Lyft penned a blog post saying it will shut down tonight. Lyft said they're going to shut down, and then the court overturned that. But here we go. While we don't have to suspend operations tonight, we do need to continue fighting for independence plus benefits for drivers. So in Prop 22, guys, they actually do want to give benefits and 30 cents per mile expense, which a fee, which every single mile you put in your car. The IRS has estimated that it's 57.5 cents expense. Uber and Lyft are saying, okay, sure, we'll give you 30 cents per mile, which in my opinion is pretty darn good. That's a bonus, 30-cent bonus every mile you put in your car. You know, if you put 100 miles in your car, 30 bucks right there, not bad. That's at least pays for your gas. It's basically giving you gas money, put it that way. That's the solution, or more, a little bit more than gas money. Because 100 miles, I could probably do that for 10 bucks on my car. Maybe 15. So they're giving you twice as much gas, basically. That's the solution on the ballot in November, and it's the solution drivers want, because it preserves them their ability to earn and to use the platform as they do now, whenever they want, while also getting historic new benefits. Without it, here we go, guys. For all you guys who comment the timestamps down below, you guys can comment this timestamp. They go, without it, 80 to 90% of Californians who earn on app-based platforms will lose that opportunity. Lyft estimated not only on Lyft, but on every app-based platform. We're talking Uber Eats, Lyft, Uber, Postmates, Grubhub, Instacart, Amazon Flex, Caviar, Shipped. Did I name all of them? It's crazy, guys. 80 to 90% of Californians who earn on app-based platforms will lose that opportunity. Let's see what Uber CEO says. He goes, there will be far few drivers employed. So my guess is 70 to 80% of users who use Uber for flexibility, they drove 5 to 10 hours per week, they will not be able to earn. The prices are gonna go up for riders. So basically, they're gonna deactivate, fire drivers. I mean, think about it. It doesn't make sense for Uber and Lyft and these gig companies to hire somebody who's gonna drive as an employee, by the way, you know, do all that stuff, to hire them, then work 5 hours a week, and then quit a week later. That's the majority of people on these apps. They sign up, they try it out for 20 hours, 30 hours, and they quit. They can't handle driving. I get it, it's hard, it's difficult. I've been there, I've done it. I've done those 50-hour weeks, 50-hour driving weeks. It's freaking exhausting. I had to work 50, 60 hours one week. The next week I didn't drive at all because I literally felt like a zombie because I was so tired. I felt like I was road tripping 7 days straight. I've been there. Most drivers don't want to work 40 to 50 hours a week. And in this data right here, most drivers are not full-time drivers. So all you part-time drivers, including myself, will be deactivated if this proposition does not pass. So in my opinion, yes, I am advocating for this proposition because I do think they're giving I do believe that they're actually compromising pretty dang well with that 30 cents per mile. And also, they have a minimum as earnings, no cap. I don't know what the government is trying to make employee drivers. Are they gonna give us all $15 per hour minimum wage and say, there you go? And then, like, I don't know. I really don't know what it's gonna be like. But I do know that what it is now is not great, it's not perfect, but they're trying to compromise. And I wanna keep my job. I know somebody said, oh, what do you wanna keep your job for? You don't drive that much. That's the beauty of it. That's why I wanna keep my job, so I don't have to drive. I want the ability to not work. Does that make sense? I want the ability to not have to work 1 week, and then the next week I can work 5 hours, and the next week can take it off. Next week I can work 10 hours. I can film a vlog for my YouTube channel. I can, you know, I love trying out new ways to make money, and if I can't do that, if I have a phone bill I need to pay that's 85 bucks, and I say, okay, you know what? I'm gonna pay for my phone bill doing Uber Eats today. So that money doesn't have to come out of my account. I'm just gonna make the money on Uber Eats, transfer it over to my phone bill, go to my bank first, whatever, then transfer it over. Then I can, that's the beauty of it. But I don't wanna be stuck working 40, 50 hours a week as an employee. I'm sorry, I just don't want that. Rant over, guys. That's the end of the video. Please, again, if you could please leave the video a big thumbs up, because I'm not even getting sleep over this. I'm moving, I'm filming, I'm editing, I'm preparing for these videos, I'm ranting. Thank you guys. If you could please leave the video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that, just as a, you know, thanks for me filming these videos. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please hop into the comment section. If you've never left a comment on a YouTube video before, today is your day. I want to hear what you guys have to say. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, guys. Peace.